Hello traders, welcome to another Sunday market review. We are here to give you signals. We are here to give you trading opportunities that you can take when the market opens. The market analysis is here. This is the video you've been waiting for. When it comes to analysis in the forex market, we do it here better. If this is your first time watching us, we do this every Sunday and then also in the course of the week. So I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also stay with us here. Tell others about this opportunity so that they can equally benefit. My name is Kofi, your admin for this channel, Leading Forex. Today's video, we are going to look at what signals are available or what trading opportunities are available for us. But before we do that, we need to first of all look at last week. What happened? Last week, we gave two signals. GBP JPY and then also Euro JPY. Somewhere on Monday, if you remember, I came up with an update to tell all of you that the TP for those trades had hit. We got our TP for the two trades, 100 pips each. And then on Wednesday, I gave another signal, two signals again. And we got those two signals also giving us the profit. Yes. Today, we are not going back to those four signals I gave. That was on Sunday and then on Wednesday. We are going straight into this week's signals or analysis or trading opportunities. Now, let me say this before I even go. I give you these signals every week. I've been getting a lot of questions from you. Some of you, asking me what time frame should you take the signals on. Please, I am the one doing the analysis. I am the one giving you the signals. So I have done the analysis already. So you don't need any time frame to decide which one to use to take a trade. You can take the trade or the signal on any time frame of your choice. If you were the one to be doing the analysis, then you'll be considering what time frame you should be doing the analysis on. But in this case, you are not the one doing the analysis. So please, you just take the trade on any time frame of your choice. If it is 15-minute time frame that you are comfortable with, or the 1 hour time frame, or whatsoever time frame, take your trade on that and you are good to go. Even if you feel comfortable with the daily or weekly or monthly, you can use it to take your trade. So when it comes to taking any signal, you do not need any time frame. You just have to look at the time frame of your choice. The most important thing is that I have given you the entry, I have given you the take profit, and I have also given you the stop loss. So you don't need to worry about time frame anymore. Is that okay? So those of you asking that question, I think I should say it once again. I have said it in some of my videos, but I want to say it again for the last time. There is no need to bother yourself about time frames. Just go with any time frame that you are comfortable with and take your trade on it. Is that okay? We are good. Now let's go straight to the chart and look at the analysis for this week. Okay, so here we are on the MT4. And in this week, we are going to look at the first currency pair is Euro USD. If I go on the weekly time frame, this is Euro USD. On the weekly time frame, Euro USD is giving us an indication that it has broken the weekly support. This is the weekly support. Okay? On the weekly, Euro USD has given us a clear indication that it has broken this support. And for that matter, it may like to come down. But again, if I look at what is happening on the daily, I do not see this break. You see, the same break has happened over here. If you look on the daily, you will see the same break has happened. The support from here, right down from here to this level, has been broken, right? But this support that got broken is also giving us a pin. This is daily time frame. If you look at the daily candle, you see that although it broke through the yellow area and came down, but it has given us a strong retracement. this strong retracement to the upside is telling us something. It is telling us that this trade may not go straight to the downside. The market may go back up before finally coming back down. The market will go back up before finally coming down. This is what the daily time frame is trying to portray. And you may see the picture a bit clearer if I go on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see it. You can see that on the 4 hour, we've gotten another pin here, and we're beginning to see an up move. This is a clear indication that we will definitely see an up move again. If for nothing at all, it must come back and test that area, this area that got broken. And between where the market is to the top of the yellow is about 100 pips. From where the market ended to the top of the yellow is about 100 pips. That is 106 pips. But I am looking that if this trade will come back down and go sell, at least it should be able to come back to this level here, to this resistance level. Once the trade comes back to this resistance level, then we may be expecting maybe to see a downward movement again. But for now, we expect to see a back to the upside. If for nothing at all, it should come back to this big yellow area, the top of it. And what I mean by the top of it is this. Let me make it a bit better. So what I mean by the top of it, just a second, let me get this done well. Okay, so what I mean the top of it is here. Okay, let me get this done here. Yes, so I expect the market, if for nothing at all, it should come back to this area. It should come back to this area here. A second, I want to get things right, so just give me some space. Okay, now on the 4 hour, I expect the market to come back to this area. Okay, I think this will be better now. Wow, why did I make this line so big like that? It looks like it doesn't want to. Okay, this is good now. Okay, so what I mean is that if for nothing at all, price should come back to this top to test this level neck here. Yes, it must come back and test this neck here. And then once it breaks through this neck, it goes back to this top here. Once it gets to the top here, then it can come back down if it has to come back. So from here, this is on the 4 hour. So from here to the top of the neck here, it's about 100 pips. It's about 100 pips. So we are looking at it here. In actual case, this is where we are looking at. This is the first resistance level. So we expect the market to come back to this zone. From here to that top here is about 100 and something pips. And then the second level is the top here. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, you might even see it clearer. Look at the 1 hour time frame. You can see that we are beginning to get that consolidation. There's a big wick here. You see the wick? There is a big wick over there. And this wick is to tell you that the market may want to make an up move before, if it will come back down later, it comes back. So we are taking a buy on Euro USD. Based on this analysis, we are taking a buy on Euro USD. Are we good? So we are taking a buy on Euro USD. So if we are taking a buy on Euro USD, what is going to be our entry? Let's quickly type our entry. Our entry is going to be, okay, the trade is a buy. Let's enter a buy first. This is going to be a buy. Okay, just let me give you the details and we are good to go. So there's going to be a buy, and our entry price is going to be Our entry price is where the market has closed now. Today is Sunday, 24th day of the month November, the year 2024. So this is going to be our entry is going to be 1.0417. 1.0417. That is going to be our entry. This is going to be our entry price. Entry is 1.04170. This is our entry price. Now, when the market opens, it is possible that this entry price can change, because at the moment the market is closed, and this is the price on which it closed. So when the market opens, it is possible it might change from this price to a different price. But this is going to be our entry price. So what is going to be our take profit? Our take profit is going to be, our TP is going to be 1.05170. Our TP is going to be 1.05170. That is going to be our take profit. And then our stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be our XL. SL is going to be 1.03170. I always like to make the stop loss red. So this is going to be our stop loss. So with Euro USD, our entry is 1.04170. Our take profit is going to be 1.05170. Our stop loss is going to be 1.03170. Are we good? And the entry is a buy. Now let's look at the next trade opportunity. Now we are done with Euro USD. Let's look at the next trade opportunity. In case you are not able to write it down, you can always reverse the video and watch it over and over and get the details down before the market opens. So this is Euro USD. The next trade is going to be Euro GBP. Euro GBP, if I go on the weekly, this is on the weekly. Euro GBP on the weekly is on a very strong support. A very, very strong support. And this support has been tested several times. Several times. And we expect it to at least give us another test. Yes. We expect it to test one more time. Now, why am I saying that? The reason I'm saying that is now we have seen that on the weekly it is on a support. Okay? Now, since this is very clear on the weekly, let's go to the daily. On the daily, we are beginning to see what happened on Friday. Look at this. This is daily time frame. Look at this candle here. This candle you are seeing here is a pin bar, which is a candle of indecision. It means that those who are holding the market to the downside are getting exhausted. And for that matter, we should expect to see some up movement. We should begin to see what, or expect some up movement. So what we are seeing on weekly is reflecting on daily. It's reflecting on daily. And it's even more clearer if you go to the 4 hour. If I come to the 4 hour, you can see it here. The trade came to this support level, and there was a strong rejection at that candle or at that level. On this support, this is on the 4 hour. A strong rejection. Price came down to this level, and then it retraced back in. That is a sign of rejection. That is to tell you that the buyers want to take over the price again and take it back up, because they didn't allow the price to stay to the downside or continue to the downside. The buyers rejected the price and pulled it back up. So it tells you that the buyers may want to show the sellers some momentum, so they may want to go back up to the buy side. And you may even see it clearer on the 1 hour. This is on the 1 hour. You can see it. Price came down to this support, and then it rejected back in. So we expect to see a buy on this also. And if it's a buy, this is Euro GBP. This is a pair that is often very slow. It's one of the slow pairs. It doesn't move fast at all. So take note. This is a pair that you may not enjoy because it doesn't move fast. So if you indeed want to take the 2 trades, then we are looking at a buy on Euro GBP too. A buy on Euro GBP. A buy on Euro GBP. So our entry is going to be what? A buy. Let's go straight to it. Entry buy. Our entry is going to be a buy. At what price? What is going to be our entry price? Our entry is going to be 0.83119. This is our entry price. Now I am going to give 2 take profit. You will choose one. I am going to give 2 take profit. You cannot put the 2 take profit on one trade. You have to choose one. The first take profit I am going to give is going to be 50 pips. So I will name that as TP1. Our TP1 is going to be 0.83619. So this is going to be our TP1 of 50 pips. So you can choose to use TP1 because you cannot put 2 take profit on one single trade. You can only choose one. TP1 is 50 pips. TP2 is going to be 100 pips. So you will choose whether you want to use TP1 or TP2. TP2 is going to be 0.93119. There's going to be our TP2 of 100 pips. So you decide whether you want TP1 of 50 pips or TP2 of 100 pips. For me, because this pair is very slow, I would suggest that you should all go for TP1. Because if you are looking for TP2, it may take you a longer time to execute or to get you there. Because this pair is very slow. But on a good day or on a good week, the pair can actually move. It can actually move on a good day or on a good week. So what is going to be our stop loss? Our stop loss, our SL is going to be 0.73119. So this is going to be our stop loss. Again, I would like to change the color of the stop loss to red. Okay, so this is going to be our stop loss. So our entry price is this, 0.83119. Our take profit 1, which is 50 pips, is going to be 0.83619. And take profit 2, which is 100 pips, is 0.93119. So like I said, this signal has 2 take profits. You have to choose one. You cannot put the 2 on one trade. So take note of that. One is 50 pips, the other one is 100 pips. So which one do you want? You pick one. The stop loss is also here. Is that okay? So this is the 2 signals I would like to give you for this week. When the market opens, these are the rules. When the market opens, you wait for a minimum of 1 hour or a maximum of 1 hour 30 minutes, then you execute your trades. Then you input you enter the market. That's what I mean. Then you will enter the market. Then you put in the take profit and the stop loss, everything. And then you allow the trade to run. You may only be checking the trade from time to time to see how it is doing. You will not touch it. You will not do anything to it. You will allow it to run. These are the rules. You allow it to run without touching anything, please. Because you have your take profit and your stop loss on the trade already. So you have nothing to worry about. So you allow the trade to run. If there's any update to give you, I'll bring it on the channel here, or I'll put it on my Telegram channel. I have a free Telegram channel and then the paid one, which is the VIP. The free one you can join. Just go to the description of any of my videos. You will find a link to join. So if there's any update, you will see it on that Telegram. The VIP group, you have to make payment before you can join. The VIP group, the payment is $100. $100. You enjoy signals from me for 12 months in the VIP group. Do not ask me how many signals do I give in a day. I don't have that statistics. I only give a trade that I see and want to take myself. Then I give it out. When I don't see anything, I don't give anything. So because of that, I am not able to give you any calculation and tell you that I give 5 trade whatsoever number of signals in a day. No. I'm not marketing the VIP group. No, that is not my focus. I am not doing PR or marketing the VIP group and I want you to be in it. No. It's a channel that some traders have decided to be in it because they would like to share my trades. They would like me to share my trades with them. The trade that I take on my live account, they want me to share with them. And that is what the VIP group stands for. It is not a group I created to market it for people to pay and join. That is not the purpose. And that is why I do not have anything like I give this number of trades in a week. I can assure you, some people will ask that what is your winning rate? I do not have anything to do with winning rates. Like I told you, I am not marketing the VIP group. My aim is not to market it. It's just a group that people have paid to be part of it, so that anytime I get a trade opportunity myself and I want to take, I give it out to them also. So that is the basis of it. That is how different my VIP group is to other marketing VIP groups, which they market to you, tell you they will give you this number of trades in a day, they will give you this winning rate and the rest. I do not have anything like that. So that is the difference between my channel, which is the VIP, and the others. So it is not compulsory to be in that, because the trade that I give can sometimes go in losses because it's my personal trades that I take. So that is why there's nothing like I have statistics to give you about the number of trades, winning rates, and the rest. I don't have. So please, that is it. I've had people who have been in that group for 2 years now. They know the worth of the group already. So I don't need to market it, to say anything to get you or to convince you to be in that group. No, that is not my focus. So that is that about the VIP group. If you want to be in it, you only make a payment of $100 and you'll be added to the VIP group. But the free group is also there. I share signals. And of course, this YouTube channel is also there. Every Sunday, I bring you forecast. I bring you analysis like this so that you can also grow your account. Is that okay? So let's grow together. Invite more people to this YouTube channel. We are getting prepared for next year, 2025. But before 2024 ends, let's make the profit together. I'll see you in the course of the week. And may the good Lord be with us. Give us the profit we deserve and make us win, so that we can 2025 set bigger goals and targets. See you in the course of the week. My name remains the same, Kofi Dollar. See you.